Hi everyone, it's Carolyn. Welcome back to Contemporary Mama. Today's video is going to be my clean and decorate for springtime. I have some beautiful new springtime and Easter decor that I am so excited to share with you. I really hope that you enjoy. So today I decided to start from the front of my house and work my way back. So I'm just tidying up my entryway, and my dog actually destroyed one of these bins we have in this bench. So I'm just replacing those with these mint green bins that I got from Target. You saw these if you watched my playroom declutter and organize. And I have to give a shout out to Target because they actually sent me these for free. I was missing one in my order, and instead of just replacing the one they missed, they sent me 4 new ones. So I thought that was pretty cool. But once, the shoes and everything are all tidied in these bins, I'm just going to be decorating my front door. I got a new little welcome sign from the Christmas tree shop, and I also have a beautiful blue floral wreath that I got years ago. I can't even remember when. So after I clean off the door, I'll just put up those little spring decor pieces.
Kind of feels like this. Hey, would you stay with me till the sun goes down?
I also am going to be vacuuming and mopping as I go, and you'll see me do a little happy dance in a second because I got a new spray mop. Now, my old spray mop broke, and also my cordless Dyson broke, so it's taken me so long to do any vacuuming and mopping because I have to use my corded mop and my corded vacuum. But whatever, I got a new spray mop. It's from Walmart, and it's the XOXO brand, just in case you were curious.
Hey, if you want, honey, you can stick around. I don't know what it is about you, but you look so fine, riding shotgun in my car, top down when driving on.
Now I'm going to be cleaning off the rest of the clutter from my dining room table so that I can switch out my tablecloth. And I did get some new table decor at the Christmas tree shop recently. I got a new table runner that has a cute little bunny Easter theme, and I have had my eye on this faux floral arrangement for quite some time now, and I just couldn't resist it. I got it on my last shopping trip there, and I just love how it looks.
The wind in our hair makes us look like movie stars, and you make me sing, yeah. You make me sing, yeah. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. You make me sing, yeah.
You'll see me clearing out my Valentine's Day decor throughout the video. So that's sort of what I'm doing here. I love decorating this little wine bar because it's pretty much the first thing you see when you walk into my house. So my husband actually got me these 2 cute little bunnies. They're like a little boy and girl bunnies. I think he got them at Kohl's on clearance, in case you were wondering. And then I actually got this whole slew of Easter eggs from the dollar store. They had like so many different varieties, and you got a bunch of them for just $1. So I'm just sort of mixing in the colored plastic ones with these cool little burlap ones that I found. So I just thought that the contrasting patterns and textures looked really cute in this bowl.
I just wanna be close to your body, close to your body, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be close to your.
So unfortunately, I gotta say goodbye to these. These were the flowers that my husband got me for Valentine's Day. So they lasted almost 2 weeks, but yeah, time to say goodbye to those. And I'm just gonna quickly wipe down my bay window area. Now, throughout this video, you'll see me using this. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Rose Scent Multi-Surface Spray. I'm absolutely in love with this scent. There's just something about a rose scent that just reminds me so much of spring and all the floral smells that go along with it. So I would highly recommend this spray if you do enjoy rose scents, but just be warned, it has a very, very strong scent. So really only get it if you really enjoy rose scent, because again, it's a very strong scent, very powerful, but I really love it.
Give me some sugar, honey, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be. What you say? Wanna stay in a hotel? Champagne and room service all night. Girl, I know this ain't no plaza, but I think we'll be alright. Ooh, come on. Isn't this really what life is all about? Doing what you can to have a good time. But baby,
So now I'm moving on into my kitchen, and I know you won't believe me when I say this, but I actually completely cleaned up the kitchen the night before. So this has all gone down in like the past 12 hours. It's just crazy how things can explode in the kitchen in what seems like no time at all. So I always like to start by kind of just decluttering and putting things away where they belong. There's just been a lot going on in this kitchen this morning. My son has been doing painting and art projects, and there's breakfast dishes. So I always like to start by getting the counters clear before I do any sort of cleaning or decorating.
I had the time of my life. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. You make me sing, yeah. Come on. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. You make me sing, yeah. I just wanna be close to your body.
So once I clean off all the clutter, I'm going to go ahead and wipe down my island. I am still using the Jaws granite cleaner, and I'm still loving that. I have black granite, as you can see, and it's a pretty shiny stone. So many cleaners leave streaks and residue. So this Jaws granite cleaner is one of the best that I've used. So I've mentioned this in a previous video in my Valentine's Day Clean and Decorate with Me. I sort of gave a bunch of information about the Jaws cleaners and which of them were sort of my favorites. So the granite cleaner is definitely at the top of the list. Now, this counter over here is laminate. So once I sort of clear away all the stuff over here, I'm going to go ahead and wipe this down using that Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in that rose scent. And now that everything is all nice and clean and put away, I can do a little bit of decorating in the kitchen. So I'm going to start with this little hook up here. I think it's probably meant to be used as a plant hook, but I just love putting these little signs that I find at the dollar store. This one says Happy Easter on this cute little pink Easter egg. And then over here, I just have a hook that I use to sort of switch things out seasonally. This sign is new. This is also from the Christmas tree shop, and it's just this cute little bunny sign that says rabbit holes. So it's not exactly Easter themed, but definitely spring themed. So I can definitely leave this up for several months until probably the summertime.
Wanna be
I love finishing cleaning my kitchen by scrubbing out my sink. It just makes the whole kitchen feel super clean knowing that my sink is all cleaned out. And then once I've done that, I'm just going to switch out the rest of my kitchen soaps for the rest of the rose scent gang. I have the dish soap, the hand soap, and of course the multi-surface spray. And then I'm also just going to quickly swap out my dish towels for some just more like springy patterns. It's kind of hard to tell, but that's like a blue checkered one. And then I have this pretty blue floral as well.
Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end of time.
I got this spring scented candle at Aldi. I am seriously loving their candles lately. They have a really strong throw and their scents are amazing. I'm saving so much money by buying my candles there because they're only $3.99, and I usually exclusively buy my candles at Bath & Body Works, and we all know how pricey those can be. So it's a little bit later and I'm cleaning up my living room during my daughter's nap time. Now, you might not be able to tell, but this is actually a lot less messy than it usually is. If you saw my playroom reorganization video, almost all the toys are downstairs in our basement, which is also our playroom. So there's actually not that much toys usually kept up here, but my daughter has this shoebox that she likes to keep all her favorite little knickknacks in, and they were sort of all just like spilled over the carpet. So it really only took me a couple minutes to sort of like tidy this all up. I have my son helping me as well. And I just am sort of kind of like putting all of that back in her little shoebox and little crib, and can take those upstairs to her room when she is done napping. Now I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of this little like carpet refresh powder on here. I get this at the dollar store and it has like a really nice tropical floral scent. So while that's kind of like sitting on the carpet, you got to let it sit for like 5 minutes or so. I'm just going to quickly kind of like dust off this little entertainment center here and then put out a few pieces of my Easter decor.
Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end of time.
So I got to take down this last little piece of Valentine's Day decor, and I'm going to be putting up this print that I got also at the Christmas tree shop. It says "Gather Here" and has this nice little floral design at the bottom. I think it adds a nice pop of color. So that is going to be it for cleaning and decorating my living room. I did at first forget to take down that Valentine's Day banner, but I did remember to take it down in probably just a few minutes after I filmed this. So I'm moving into my upstairs, and I'm going to start with my kids' rooms. They were pretty clean. They were cleaned somewhat recently, so I really just have to tidy them up, and I'm adding a little bit of decor. I bought these bunnies to go on their doors. I thought they were super cute, and I have also a few other little touches that you'll see in just a minute.
Stars fade away and your scars don't. Your scars don't. Say my name, stay with me till the stars fade away and your scars don't.
I got a few more sleeves of these colorful Easter eggs, and I also got these little plastic bins. Everything was only $1 each, so pretty inexpensive decor for my kids' rooms.
Your scars don't hurt. Your scars don't hurt.
These little Easter egg baskets I also got at the dollar store. I got one for my daughter and one for my son's room. So I just thought they looked really cute sitting on the doorknob there. So I'm just repeating the same decor in my son's room. He has his blue bunny to go on his door and his blue Easter basket to go on his doorknob. And now we're just going to do a quick little tidy of his room and set up his little baskets of Easter eggs on his dresser as well.
Down the moon and give that to
The bathrooms were also cleaned somewhat recently, so I'm just doing like a quick little wipe down, not really a deep clean. So really I'm just wiping down this glass shelf that I have here. And then I have this little hook over here that I am going to be putting up this Hello Spring sign. I can't remember where I got it. I got it last year, either at the dollar store, maybe the Christmas tree shop. And then, of course, have to say goodbye to the Santa soap dispenser. I think it's time. I have no idea why my kids think it's so fascinating to watch me clean the toilet, but seriously, whenever I'm cleaning the bathrooms, it just attracts them to me like flies. It's crazy. Now, my bathroom was quite a mess. I do color my own hair, if you didn't know, so I have all the paraphernalia associated with that all over the counter. So I just gotta clean all that up, get that thrown out, wash everything out, and then wipe everything down.
It's true. Never ask for nothing more than you. Think about it. If I could, I would be the perfect deja vu. Stars and sun.
My room was also pretty clean, so all I really needed to do was make my bed, and then this whole spring clean and decorate has officially come to an end. So I really hope that you've enjoyed this video, that you got some motivation to get your house cleaned and decorated for springtime. Let me know down in the comments what was your favorite piece of decor that I put up here. And also let me know if you decorate for spring. Is that something that you do? Do you have any Easter decor that you put out every year? So again, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on Friday with a brand new video. Bye!